The monkey's justice. One day, two cats found a piece of bread. They picked it up. They were fighting for it. A monkey saw them who was sitting on a tree. The monkey told the cats that I will share the bread equally. The cats handed the bread to the monkey. The monkey broke the bread into two halves. The monkey put two halves into the balance. One was heavier than the other. The monkey bit the larger one and it became smaller. Next, he bit the other piece and it became smaller. Thus, he ate all the bread. The poor cats were disappointed. The monkey climbed up the tree. The cats went away sadly. Moral of the story is never believe strangers.